It looks like LA here. It's so expensive,
Work is
honey.
right there. It's really close.
Hey guys, welcome. How are you? Come on in. Check this out.
You have to
Views
Whoa.
on every side.
Wow.
I mean, you don't need a gym membership because it's included in your
Right.
HOA.
Well,
right?
how much is that?
Just over $900 a month. I mean,
Oh my
just
gosh.
over $900 a month.
But I mean, you don't have to like find a gym.
Yeah.
It's everything is right
That's
here.
true.
And everything's brand new and state of the art. Place for Nala. You guys can bring her here.
This is great.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
small, but it works.
Yeah. There's also a co-working space.
Oh, that's nice.
There's a lounge area.
A little concerned about parking. How does that work around here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's an automated parking here for your cars. There's a place for motorcycles.
That's nice. Wow.
So you will
Whoa.
see there's a lovely
Whoa.
view.
Oh,
This
wow.
It's really modern, which I know
love
you love
the
them.
darker cabinets. I think
Okay.
that's really unique and
pretty slick, right?
yeah,
Look how sleek this
it's
is.
definitely more your style than mine.
I never thought I'd like gray. I always wanted a white kitchen with a lot of white, but this actually works.
Yeah, I
It's
like
nice
that a
and
lot.
clean lines. And imagine, look, I hate doing dishes, but I think I could do dishes right here.
I mean,
I mean, look at that.
that. Yeah.
Exactly.
This is like a high-tech microwave. Check this out.
oh wow.
This is completely brand new, so it's kind of cool. It's like George Jetson or something like that. Look at this, and right here, Nala's bowls can be right there.
Oh
And
yeah,
know,
that's
that's
cute.
so cute.
I like
I don't-
that they staged that.
Yeah.
That's pretty fun.
Oh,
my
oh,
gosh.
That's kind of scary. I thought you were afraid of heights.
To put a barbecue out there or something,
This
you know?
is cool.
That's a little like.
Just don't
oh.
fall. Just don't fall. I'm gonna show you your bedroom.
Oh my.
The
Oh
view,
my
obviously.
This
Again.
doesn't even look real. Waking up to this every day, that would be amazing.
I like this flooring a lot.
Yeah.
I
The
think
flooring's
it's very
nice.
cool. But is this the
Yeah,
only
so check
closet?
out the closet.
Yeah.
I mean, keep an open mind.
Oh
you know.
gosh. This is smaller than what we have now.
You can
I
make it
don't
work. You can make it
know.
work. Let me show you the bathroom.
Yeah.
Come on in. Double vanity. I think
That's
that's an
nice.
upgrade from what you have now, right?
Yes.
Look at the fixtures are like really nice.
Yeah.
I don't think we have to do anything.
But this is the only bathroom?
It is the only bathroom, but on
Okay.
every level, you know, where you saw the amenities and stuff, there's bathrooms there.
Okay.
So if you were having kind of a bigger
guests.
gathering,
Yeah.
you could go to one of those places. This is technically one bed plus den.
Or office?
Or an office, yeah. So you
Okay.
could have this for guests.
Yeah, this
or
is great for an office. But if we're trying to make it an office and a guest room, I mean,
just not a
it's
lot of
basically like
space, really,
exactly
though.
what we have now. Well, not exactly, but I just feel like that's a really small office.
I mean, remember that there's the place that you can co-work upstairs with the
Yeah.
views. So there's a
Yeah.
lot of space outside of your unit where
Yeah,
you can
that's
be
true.
and work and hang out.
To me, this is like a dream. Like
It's
this
turnkey.
is like
It's-
turnkey.
yeah.
It's in the city. I've always imagined having something like
Yeah.
this on a high rise, and I can walk to work.
yeah,
right?
that's
so.
kind of crazy.
I do need space, but this view is kind of amazing.
Obviously, it's gorgeous. You can't say
Yeah.
that it isn't.
Yeah.
The closet space
know.
does seem smaller than what we have
Could be.
currently, but it's so expensive. I'd love to see 2 bathrooms and a little bit more space.
Hey!
Hi.
Good to see you guys.
This is nice.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not really my style. It's very cookie cutter, suburbish kind of a feel.
It's a little more traditional, which I know you like. 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2150 square feet. There is a small HOA, $23 a month.
Okay. Does that cover like the landscaping in the front or?
No, it
Okay.
actually only covers the landscaping at that sign when you first
Okay.
enter the
It
community.
is a nice sign.
Yeah, it
The
is a nice sign.
Estates.
Which, I mean, this
Yes,
does
it
look like an
feels
estate,
like a mansion.
right? I mean,
Yes.
this is a mansion.
Yes.
This house in LA would probably be listed for 2 to 2.5 million, depending on the neighborhood that it's in. It does need some cosmetic updates, but there's a lot of space, and I think Earl's gonna be really happy with the garage.
I
Oh,
love
look at this
the
entry.
Yeah, this is great.
Here we have maybe a formal living room or office.
Yes, formal living room.
The carpets
Awesome.
seem pretty new as well. Doesn't look that bad in here.
I
so
would get that for
I don't
place,
know.
but that's
Would you?
me.
Okay.
Yeah. I like the hardwood. This is great.
Just so you guys know, the sellers are still moving out, so you might
okay.
see some of their stuff covered up throughout here.
This could be a cool office space for you. Formal dining.
Yeah.
This is great.
So you could host dinner parties here. I know that
Yeah.
you are an event planner, so it's right up your alley.
I love this.
White kitchen,
I really like
This
those
is nice.
brushed metal finishes. Those are beautiful.
lots of
And
space.
this is nice countertop. Wow. Wow.
I like the hardwood flooring as well. This looks
Wow.
like real hardwood flooring.
It is real hardwood, yeah.
The affordability on this house is very surprising to me. I'm used to driving around and knowing that, oh, I can't afford that. So this is very enticing. However, it doesn't have a lot of character.
This is cool.
This is
I
really
really
nice. I like the
height.
fireplace. I don't know about the color though. It's just so.
We'll paint it.
She likes traditional.
I like traditional.
Maybe you guys can marry traditional and modern together
Yes,
here.
there you go.
And
That's
you can
the
update
thinking
it.
I like.
We could have a proper Christmas with,
Yeah.
stockings and stuff.
The idea of having holidays here and have family over and just have gatherings of people is very exciting to me. Oh my gosh.
This yard.
Can you imagine Nala out here playing
Wow,
fetch?
this is nice. I'm probably gonna have to mow this
Yeah.
lawn. I just see a lot of work.
Oh my gosh. Oh, honey, this is
Oh.
great.
I could have the 2 cars in the garage plus my motorcycle. You can't get this in LA.
No.
I just,
For a couple $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go upstairs.
It looks like you could put art here.
Yeah. There's a bedroom here.
Okay. This is great.
And with 4 bedrooms, you would literally have your own office.
that's
We don't
really
have to
nice.
share.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Another bedroom here.
A guest room, proper guest room.
This would be your room. Nice window.
I like this.
Through here is the primary bathroom, which is very spacious, but I want Kim to see especially the closet.
Oh my gosh,
I know
yeah.
that's important to
I
you.
just want to live in here. Can I just stay right here?
And I know that you
love it.
wanted a double vanity,
Yes,
right?
This is
yes,
nice.
yes,
Yep.
this is great. I
It
like
just-
it.
I don't know. It just feels really old to me.
I still want something with more amenities, but because it fits in the lower side of what we're looking to spend, I see the value in a single family home that already has the space. Just thinking of walking Nala, she has a yard, and you can entertain. And I don't know, I see a lot of opportunity here.
I love the space. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to buy a lawnmower.
Yeah, yeah.
So really it would be a change of pace for you guys.
Yes.
How do you feel about that? Being a little further out from
I'm
the
worried
city?
about that a little bit. I think I want to see something more modern and closer to work.
Yeah.
I'm a little concerned about the commute a little bit.
Hi.
Hi guys.
This
Hey,
is
how
cool.
are you?
This
Did you
is
guys find it
cool.
okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
it did.
I like the look. I like the tall, skinny look.
A lot of character, right?
Yes. I also want to show you guys this,
Oh,
Oh.
which I know is
Garage.
I like the door.
a big deal for you.
That door's nice.
And there's a lot of space. It looks like it's a bigger one-car garage.
Yeah,
that
it
can
looks like you
actually
could fit bikes
a
on
car
the side.
and the 2 motorcycles. Although that
Nice.
just means that one person's going to be parking outside.
Yeah.
That's gonna be you, right?
Yeah,
Not her.
it's probably going to be.
Come on, let's be real.
Look at that. It has a smart security camera. already.
Oh, I like the door.
What's
Ooh,
this?
this is cool.
That's a cool
Mailbox?
fancy
That's like
mailbox.
old school. I like that.
So come on in.
Oh.
This home doesn't have any extra amenities, but it is a great compromise because of its close proximity to the city for Earl to get to work. It also is turnkey, which appeals to both of them.
Carpet looks
Ooh.
new too.
I like the fireplace a lot too. This is very modern and
Come on out
I
here.
love
Take some-
this patio. This is great for entertaining.
This is nice. Look at that view.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh.
what do you guys think about the dark cabinets?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't? I
like-
like it.
I don't know. It'd be nice if it was white.
You guys want to check out the outdoor
Yes.
area?
This is nice. It's a good size, and it would be great for Nala because she could kind of do whatever, and we could have this space as kind of like an entertaining barbecue.
Sure.
But you see the leaves though?
I knew you were gonna say that.
Look at the leaves all over the
Gardener.
ground.
There is gonna be some manual labor involved when
Yes.
you own a house,
Yes.
for sure.
I like this.
Come on up.
This is cool as a nice space for a desk. Of
Yeah,
some
you can put a
sort.
desk
One of
there.
us can work here.
Here is the guest room
Okay.
or office, you know.
Nice. My only thought here is if you do put a desk out there and a desk in here, if we're both having meetings, that's
yeah.
still pretty close to each other.
This is the bathroom for, you know, the guest room.
Oh, nice.
So this would be your room, and check out
Oh.
these views
This
right
is
here.
cool. Yeah.
I like this.
Yeah,
a
this
lot.
is a great space.
Look at all the windows. It's like nice and
and the window
bright.
treatments. I feel like
Yeah.
this is right up your alley.
It sadly doesn't have AC currently. However, you could add it. So
Okay.
something to work
Another
into the
cost.
price.
But I'm
So
actually sweating
Yeah.
right now, so that's
Yes.
kind of a negative.
we live in the gray most of the time.
The gray.
So, you know,
Yeah.
check out the primary bathroom.
Oh, I love this.
Huge closet.
Okay.
This is great. I love
Here's a
the
tub.
2 sinks. Yes. Okay.
That's kind
separate.
of it's kind of small, huh, for a tub.
It is. It is.
I mean,
This
I'm a,
is
I'm a
cute. I like how they
short
did
guy,
that.
but I think that I would.
Yeah.
My feet will actually stick out.
It is pretty.
But it's
small.
nice.
I think it's very unique. I think this is the look I was looking for. It feels very move-in ready, very turnkey. But realistically, there's not going to be necessarily one dedicated space for each of us to have an office. It isn't the ideal space for entertaining. My main concern is the money.
I love the location. There's some modern aspects of this. It has some tech.
And
maybe
there's a
that's
garage.
year or two. Yeah. Then we do have to think about the space. So we do have our own offices. This is
Yeah.
still kind of, we'll still be playing musical chairs, trying to figure out where we would sit when we're working.
Well, I know that you guys have kind of this quick timeline, so you don't want to wait too long to
Right.
jump on this one.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
By the way, what do you want to do with these? It's
Oh
like,
my gosh,
these
I
are nice.
forgot. We brought those from my apartment.
Yeah.
That's fun.
We chose,
The house in the suburbs.
just having the extra space is huge. I mean, that's the most immediate win for us, is that we can have our own office spaces now.
The kitchen aesthetic is perfect to me. I love it so much.
My favorite part of this is hands down the garage. See, I got decorative skills.
I know you do. We ended up paying exactly what the list price was, $665, and I think that was probably because the price had been reduced $30,000 the day we walked into it. So we really felt like it was a good deal. I'm really excited about that. I feel like we can still travel, we can still live a normal life, and have a huge home, which is not something I ever expected.
We've been here, what, a week now? Do you want to go outside?
You want to go play fetch?
Let's go.
Come in.
I compromised on a lot of the tech gadgets. However, with the extra money that we are saving, I get to install it myself, which is part of the fun for me. Distance to work will work for me. I'm in a hybrid situation. I don't have to be at the office every single day.
I did want something turnkey, and this is not. But I think we are looking at it as more fun and something we can do slower over time. There's no amenities included with the community itself, but the more we learn about the area, the more I think we like it. We're very happy to have a single family home and more space and watch the dog play in the yard. It's super fun. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.